everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mid-size lookbook with you guys. I did one of these a while ago and I don't know why I really haven't done them. I think because I've been trying not to shop and lookbooks make me feel like I have to buy new clothes. But one of my resolutions this year is to wear pieces in my closet that I already have and don't wear enough. So we're gonna do that today. Now you guys see me wear this milkmaid shirt a lot for different costumes, but I've never actually worn it out. And I'm trying to find ways to style it. So I did retie the bow to change like the cleavage coverage, because that's a big thing for me, is I never show this much cleavage. So yeah, let's take a look at how I styled the first outfit. So this is just what it looks like. I'll bring you guys down lower in a second, just so you can see the whole top and the top of the jeans. These are actually not skinny jeans, which is like crazy because I have not worn non-skinny jeans in a very long time. And I've only worn these jeans out like once, even though they're super comfortable. Now these are from Old Navy. That's just where I go for my jeans in particular, and they have a little distressing to them, not a lot, but I pair it with this top because it gives me good coverage here. I don't like my belly button exposed. It's not a weight thing, it's just I think my belly button looks weird. Like I don't like having it out even when I like go swimming. I like to have it covered. It's just a thing with me, like that's my thing. But I paired it with this top and I thought it kind of balanced out the top being so tight and obviously like booby, with the bottoms not being as tight because these are actually straight leg jeans. Okay, so here's the bottom half. Obviously just straight leg jeans, nothing crazy. I just always think they make me look a little bit short because I am not very tall. And the pockets are like super deep on these, which is nice. But the shoes I put with them are just my Adidas Superstars that are cheetah print on the stripe, so it gives it a little bit of interest in the shoe. Outfit number 2, same top obviously, but with my corset on, if you couldn't tell by the drastic change in my waist, and this skirt from Unique Vintage with a cute pair of tights and a chunky heel. Love it. I do have shorts on under this, so do not be alarmed. The only thing with this look is that the zipper for this skirt does not like to stay up, and it has not, no matter what size I am or how I wear it. So I do have to replace that. But this is what it looks like with the top. So I've just pulled the sleeves down this way, so they're a little bit different. But yeah, I envisioned this look, and it's even cuter than I thought. It makes me look like I have very cartoonish proportions because the corset is like one that goes all the way up to like under my armpits. So everything from here to here is cinched, as you can probably tell because I'm breathing heavily. But yeah, so that's what this is here. If you guys see this, this is from the corset, but then there's this little pleat here, so it kind of masks it. But this is outfit number 2. I really like it with the chunky shoes. Next one, same skirt, same shoes, different top. So this is actually a bodysuit, and it's just this black turtleneck. So I thought this was pretty cute. It's actually not folded over right, so let me fix that. There we go. I just thought this was cute. It's very fall. It's very like wear it with a big hat type of vibe. And like I said, here are the shoes. It's all just very simple, very chic, monochromatic, and I still have the corset on in case you were wondering. All right, so this one I don't have shoes for. However, it is my long sleeve like celestial printed top and my faux leather like halter with the mom jeans. I still have the corset on and the tights on because I physically cannot get the tights off without taking the corset off. I didn't want to take that off yet, so ignore that. However, I'm not sure if I love both pieces together. So with, I think like the kind of acid wash of the jeans, kind of, I mean, I guess like the more distress wash, with this and this, it's just too much. So I think I need one or the other, maybe. Like if I take this off, which I'll show you guys here. So here it is, just jeans, top, and corset. I think this would probably be the way I would wear it, just because you can't tell that this is just a bra with just the corset. It just looks like maybe like a bustier piece, which I'm cool with. But it's just a lot more simple this way. I think the other way it had too much going on. I don't know. I kind of dig this though. This is a fun look. I love the shirt. I never wear it out, and I don't know why. Just so you guys can see the other option, this is the halter top with the jeans. Not as in love with it. I think there's like not enough going on, if that makes sense. Like, I think the proportions between the hips and my shoulders being like exposed is okay, but there's just, I don't know. This being all solid here doesn't look as good as when I don't wear a corset underneath it. Like, this is one of the times where I'm like, this looks better when I don't have a corset. So, yeah, and especially with the back. Like, I wouldn't want that out. I would just wear this the way Pamela Anderson intended, with nothing underneath it. That is it for my little exploration into what I have in my closet and things I need to wear. I definitely am inspired. I'll be wearing these jeans more. I'll be using this corset more. Yeah, and that's it. So, as always, make sure you subscribe, like, and share down below, and tell me if there's any pieces in your closet you want to see styled that I may have or something like it. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.